Here I have Samsung Galaxy A15, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to contacts, then tap on these three stripes here, go to manage contacts, select import contacts, tap allow. Here you have to select where from. We have to import them, in our case from SIM card. Here you can select which contacts you want to import, so I'm just gonna select them all. Then tap done, and after that select where to you want to copy these contacts, in our case to our phone. Tap import, and after that you will have these contacts here on your device. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.